How to change language on Netflix when you don't understand. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can change language on Netflix when you don't understand it at all. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to go ahead and then change our language on Netflix, maybe you shared your account with someone, they basically messed up your profile and now you don't understand a single thing in the language. How do you really change it? Well, in order to do that, all you have to do is just try to open up Netflix, right? So once you open Netflix, do not select your profile yet. Just tap on the edit button on the top right hand side, then choose a profile on which you want to change the language. So let's say I messed up the language on this profile over here. I'll just select that. So what you do is basically you have two options over here, which is the display language, which you can see the A icon. The other is the movie or the audio language, which I'm sure you're not looking for that. But if you're looking for display language, just tap on the third option that looks like the A icon over here. If it's in Chinese, Japanese or other letters and you don't understand it, just tap on this option. Now simply select any other language that you understand. Do not do anything, just come back and then your changes will be successfully saved if you're logging into that profile. Now just tap on done and then log into that specific profile over here. Basically now when you try to log into that account, you should most likely be able to see it in the format that you actually chose. And that's all it takes to change language on Netflix when you don't understand. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.